Welcome to SAT Math Prep. This is going to be a series of interactive webinars for those who sign up, and I will be teaching from this book with this specific set of highlighters, which you'll find on the Amazon link on my blog post. And I'm going to be focusing on the easy problems from the practice set out of this book. Now, I'm not necessarily going to be teaching you just how to do the problems. The focus of this series for SAT Math Prep is to help you identify when you look at a problem how to start the problem and how to get through it. Not just basic math skills, but actually how to begin a problem. That's the hardest part when you first look at a problem, is what in the world do I do next? So this is going to be a great piece of information for you to keep, and every problem will have its own how-to. I have two colors I use all the time. Yellow will always define the problem, and orange will always be highly recommended memory recall, memorization items. So as you go through these to prep for the SAT, the stuff in orange should draw your eye to it, and those are things you need to memorize for the SAT, if you haven't already. So I will go through step by step how to work a problem after I initially explain how to start the problem, which is the most complicated part. And then, of course, throughout the program, if there are questions, I will work problems over here on the dry erase board, step by step, maybe some examples, and answer questions for you. But I will want you to keep a copy in a nice, safe place of all of your highlighted graph paper problems. You will be able to refer back to these when you study on your own for the SAT. I look forward to meeting you, and I will see you soon. Bye.